So we have our brushless 3/8" ratcheting tool. When you turn, or actually when you turn and depress and get a signal going, you'll get your battery power there that's available. I also have a secondary indicator that's going to be right here. So I actually have two indications of battery power. And I wasn't sure about the variable speed trigger, but it actually works really well. That's full speed, quite a bit there. That's your change of direction. I put a 3/8" extension on here with their included 3/8" socket. And recognize that with the battery on here, it's not super light, but if you hold it in here, it's actually pretty good as far as a center of gravity and maintaining that. But an ideal tool for certain features, for certain tasks that you might need to do. It's pretty easy to get a slow rotation from the initial portion of the trigger switch right here. And it feels good in the hand. And yes, a really viable tool. I don't know if it's professional grade. Definitely for the do-it-yourselfer at home, this would be a perfect tool for this. And expect it to be lasting a lifetime.